All right, so here is our example we're going to do together. It's really similar to the think about it. They want us to solve this system of equations by graphing. So we're not doing anything new. We're just graphing lines, which we already know how to do. So for line 1, we're going to start with our y-intercept, which is -3. And then our slope, there's nothing in front of that x, so remember it's a +1. If I write it as a fraction, it's 1/1. Do not include x. X is not the slope. M is the slope. So I put my -3, and then I go, this means I'm going up and to the right. So I go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. I'm going to put a bunch of points so I can easily see where the lines intersect, because my line might not be perfect. It definitely won't be. So the points are there so I can see clearly the point of intersection. So there's my first line. We're going to choose a different color, and we're going to graph our second line. The y-intercept for this one is +2, and the slope is -4. Make it a fraction, so put it over 1. This means go down and right. So start at +2 on the y-axis, then go down 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see the point of intersection right there. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the solution is this point, which is the point 1, -2. Now we're going to go to the next slide and check it to make sure it's correct. So the solution was 1, -2. Remember, this is an x and this is a y. So when we say we're going to check it, we're going to plug in -2 for y and 1 for x. And we should get the same thing on both sides if we're right. So this is -2. 1 minus 3 is also -2. So it works for the first equation. Now we're going to check the second equation. Instead of y, -2. Instead of x, I put a 1. And since it's connected to that -4, I put it in parentheses to show that I am multiplying. Okay? So I have -2, and then I get -4 plus 2, which is also -2. So now I know my answer is correct, and I can finally box the answer. This is the solution to that system of equations.